Now, the big picture, China is the largest car market for EVs. And we see that the global electric vehicle, they have already hit like 3% of total auto sales. And that was in June. So we are looking for it to be bigger by 2025. So EV sales increasing in Europe as well, US, China, globally. Why is this happening? Because a government initiative whereby they want to reduce like carbon dioxide emissions, they want safety. So traditional, so what's their advantage and disadvantage? So their advantage is traditional. They have been making cars for many, many years, even centuries. So experience, and they have economies. Of course, there's some cons as well, because this, you will need adjustment costs. And definitely you eat into the market share. I used to sell all the traditional cars, but now I want to sell some EV cars, and there are new EV cars like Tesla coming in to take a piece of the pie. So first stock that I want to talk about is Toyota. So these are some Toyota's vision, mission. They are actually the largest automaker by volume, and they're making sure that they're going to stay on this electric trend, and they want to reduce the overall battery cost by 50%. Okay, so these are some strengths. There's a long history. It's a leader in the hybrid. It developed the hydrogen vehicle, is diversified. So some of you are keen on Toyota. What about valuation? PEG ratio is 1.15. From my valuation, it is undervalued. So General Motors, this is their vision. These are more of the latest news. Their revenue has declined modestly over the past decade, but they are expecting themselves to return to strong growth, and their revenue could double up to 350 million by 2030. So what are their strengths? Holistic EV charging experience. They are able to produce the battery at scale. They're diversified, definitely. You look at the number of vehicles they sell in the different regions of the world. Okay, so this is the potential price also from CNN. So when there's more interest, there's more liquidity when you buy, sell the shares. So what is the valuation using the discounted cash flow model? Growth rate for GM also around 10%. PEG ratio is 0.68. My last company is BYD. So this is their mission. They want to have technological innovation, and they want to include all this engage in automobile business, which includes the electric vehicles and the traditional vehicles. So these are the latest news. So you see that their sales volume are going up, and in fact, it's going up a bit sick. It's going up by about 200%. And BlackRock has increased their position in BYD. So they are pioneers in electric bus. They deliver to the Britain, Chile, Netherlands, etc. They have a solid brand reputation in China. So their cars and other vehicles run exclusively on the batteries the company manufactures itself. But one drawback for me personally is they are very focused in China. The growth rate is surprisingly lower than Toyota and GM. The PEG ratio is 29. Okay, so this is a summary. But when we look at their annual report, at the end of the day, I must say that BYD is a little bit less exciting than GM and Toyota.